Good afternoon. I hope you guys will enjoy the event today.
Thank you very much for joining us. In Search of Incredible is our brand promise. ASUS is passionate about technology and driven by innovation.
Italian leather to ensure only the best for ZenBook Edition 30. Dedicated artisan, meticulously hand-stitch and hand-finish every single piece of leather, and each leather is further complemented with the 30th anniversary emblem. In addition, this laptop also comes with the new ScreenPad 2.0.
ScreenPad 2.0. It's more intuitive, more powerful, and more energy efficient. While preparing office tasks, you can get the job done faster with specially adapted design aids, ZenBook 14-inch and 15-inch. MSRP in Australia will start from $1,799 and $2,499. ASUS VivoBook S series, the most youthful and colorful range in ASUS, now also comes with ScreenPad 2.0. Will start from $1,399. I do hope that you like ZenBook Pro Dual as I do. ZenBook Pro Dual is a laptop from 2020s. Besides being a highly capable second display, let me share some of the special functions ScreenPad Plus can offer you. If you are a movie maker, if you are a photographer, if you are into music production, and for 3D design, if you are a gamer, you can do live stream and chat with your teammates while battling. ScreenPad allows you to have different apps and tasks down with one simple click. You can easily manage 1, 2, or even 3 displays, different apps on ScreenPad Plus easily. UX581 is no doubt a performance beast. It is equipped with Intel 9th Gen Core i9 processor and RTX 2060 graphic card, a workstation-level powerhouse. ZenBook Pro Dual pushes the limit of the industry in all aspects, and I hope you guys like it. The selling price of ZenBook Pro Dual, $4,499. For some of the users who would like to bring their machine every day and everywhere, we do provide a more suitable choice for you, which is a 14-inch version, ZenBook Dual UX481. With a weight of only 1.5 kilograms and a thickness of 19.9 millimeters. And of course, the performance of ZenBook Dual is still top of the best. Graphic card-wise, it's using MX250 graphic card. And the most important part is this machine is equipped with the latest Intel 10th Gen Core i7 CPU. With all the above features, selling price of ZenBook Dual UX481 starts from $1,699.
This is actually my very first time in Australia.
The future is now.
I'm actually using the ZenBook Pro Duo, and this thing is a beast.
Hello, hello.
There you go, and the most closest of all from Sydney.
Everyone say creativity.
Thank
Let's
you.
give another round of applause.